Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDRA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, just kind of makes mapping out a very interesting setup, quite straightforward. And I'm not trying to rub salt in the wounds or anything like that. But yeah, a very bearish day. But I kind of have to bring that up because that essentially is what's setting up the situation here. So yeah, I mean, it gapped down, and then after the gap down, the price just fell and fell and fell and fell and fell. And then once more, each one of these represents 30 minutes. I'm bringing that up again because check out what happened during the final 30 minutes. There was just an absolute surge of volume. And then you had what in the world of candlesticks we would call, in the world of charts, a doji candle, a hammer candle, whatever floats your boat. But which suggests, okay, a whole lot of volume, and then you get kind of a neutral candle like that. Maybe is this some sort of bottom? And I should note that this is not some sort of secret discovery. This is not like some brilliant discovery on my part. No, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is seeing the same thing and is wondering the same thing. Big volume after a big move downwards, and then you get this doji type candle. There could very well be a bounce. Now, don't get me wrong, though, and I also need to clarify this. Just because these dynamics have all happened, does that mean that for sure the price is bouncing tomorrow? Like I said, I wish trading was that easy, but no, there's no such thing as a guarantee. Now, would it be shocking to see the price bounce? No, that would not be shocking at all, but myself nor anyone else can say that a bounce would for sure happen. So in the event the price does start to bounce, though, let's talk about some potential battlegrounds that the bulls would have to fight through. First key level is going to be the top port. And if you're watching level 2s, you probably recognize this area. But for whatever reason, it's kind of a random spot. But $1.16 a whole bunch of times mid-afternoon. Price tried to get above that area and just could not quite do it. So like I said, random spot at $1.16. But there are clearly some sellers right there. So that would be the first level to fight through on any sort of bounce. Next key overall level to watch would be that purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line will move itself downwards and get more and more relevant. I get it's kind of way up there, but that level will adjust as time goes by. So without doubt, interesting setup, big volume the final 30 minutes, and pretty much all that selling was absorbed, which created the doji candle here. So we'll see if we can get some sort of bounce or not tomorrow or Friday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.